Conditional sentences in English. Conditional sentences describe situations that depend on a certain condition. They are used to talk about possible or imaginary situations in the past, present, or future. Types of conditionals. 1. Zero conditional general truths form. If plus present simple use. Used for facts, general truths, and scientific facts. Example: if you heat water to 100 degrees Celsius, it boils. If the sun sets, it gets dark. Two. First conditional, real future possibilities. Form: if plus present simple, will plus base verb. Use: used for real and possible future situations. Example: if it rains, I will take an umbrella. If you study, you will pass the exam. Three. Second conditional, unreal or hypothetical situations. Form: if plus past simple, would plus base verb. Use: used for imaginary or unlikely situations in the present or future. Example: if I were a millionaire, I would travel the world. If he had a car, he would drive to work. Four. Third conditional, unreal past. Form: if plus past perfect, would have plus past participle. Use: used for hypothetical past situations, things that didn't happen. Example: if I had studied, I would have passed the exam. If they had left earlier, they wouldn't have missed the train. Five. Mixed conditionals combining different time situations. Form 1. If plus past perfect, would plus base verb past affecting present. Example: if I had studied harder, I would be a doctor now. Form 2. If plus past simple, would have plus past participle, present affecting past. Example: if she were more careful, she wouldn't have made that mistake.